Welcome to Framework Fortune. I'm your host Ben, and today was day 27 of the Small Account Day Trading Challenge. If you want to follow this challenge, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And come join us in the live stream in the chat, learn some stuff, ask some questions, watch some live trading. So today was Friday. Fridays are always the toughest day to trade in the stock market for day traders. And it was a little rough today, but not too bad. I actually made several trades, but let's dive into it and see what happened.
Oh yeah, PTI looking good here. Break at 250. This could get going. Looks like it's gonna try the break of the VWAP there. A little U-shape break. Kind of would have liked to got in a little earlier at that break there. The buyer's at 241 now, so I'm gonna try to get filled at 242. Let's see. Nope, couldn't get filled. I took it off for just a second because I want to see. We might get a pullback here. Yeah, that's what I thought. So we're getting a little pullback. See it come down a little bit more before it starts running. If it's going to run. TTPH, nothing there. MREO, almost down. Oh, whoops. I did get 100 shares. Actually, I did not realize that. I got filled 100 shares on PTI at 242. I did not realize I got filled. Whoops. So, let's see what happens here. Didn't really want to get filled there, but just got to break 250 to get going. Got a decent amount of buys at 245. If that can hold up and we can see this up to 250, the break at 250, it could get going. But I was kind of expecting a pullback. We might get it now. So I didn't really want to get in quite yet. Yeah, and it's coming back down right now. That's kind of one of them reverse U-shapes here. Not a fan of that. So this needs to start making a move up. Let's see here. Let's give it a second. A lot of selling at 244 right now and 245. But this is that reverse U-shape, and I don't like that. I don't want this to crash down and take an unnecessary loss on this. We do have some support right here at 242. Oh, no, it's cracking down now. See, VWAP's at 238. I mean, we still are above the VWAP, coming back down to the VWAP now, all the way down to the VWAP. Big buyer at 238 at the VWAP though, so I want to see if this is gonna hold up the VWAP, and I may just continue to hold this 100 shares. Let's see what we got. Support 237 area. So yeah, that was that reverse U-shape I was talking about. You got it coming down. You got to start forming, and you get this nice pullback. So maybe the VWAP will hold up. It looks like it's trying to. And we can start forming a different pattern. Okay, yeah, so that looks fine. Did get a little bounce here. We need this to start coming back up again if it's going to go. Because if not, this is just going to keep cracking off. I may have to get out of this and just eat this loss. Trying to give it a chance, but it's looking pretty weak here. It needed to pop back above the VWAP right there, and you can see it didn't. Definitely, it needs to get above the VWAP. The good thing that we got going on is the 9 EMA is right here at 230, so we have some pretty big support there. But I don't want to see this all the way back down to 230 either. I'm not going to hold it that long. Like I said, we want 235 to hold up. It's really struggling. Really testing that 235 support right here. Nice size order, 9,500 shares at 236, so that actually might push this up. Now we do have this U-shape now. The stock does need to get back above 238, above this VWAP. If we see this U-shape complete and gets back above the VWAP, it could be pretty good for this stock. And there we are, starting to pop here a little bit. There's a quick pop up to 240. Still being held back by that VWAP. It's got to get ahead of the VWAP here. So, okay, that candle held up, so this candle's got to start coming up. If this candle starts going down, then that's not good. There we go. There we go. It's a little pop. Oh, nope. Just kidding. But yeah, this candle really needs to close over the VWAP, or the next candle open above the VWAP and keep moving. See, that doesn't look good. I don't like that. Alright, so that candle did close over the VWAP, and this candle is like on the VWAP, so we want this candle to hold above. Then we'll put a stop loss at 233. The 234 doesn't hold up. This is going to be done. Yeah, and then it's back down to 234. So yeah, okay, there's the crack. Lost $10.
So towards the end of the stream, I decided I wasn't going to trade for the rest of the day. I was just going to sit on my hands and use the funds I had available left for Monday. But then about 10:45, I came back and sat down on my computer and saw that ITRM was making this move up to the VWAP here, and I decided this might be a good buying opportunity. The stock was all the way up at 650 early in the day, so I got in right at 497 at this little yellow arrow here at the break of the VWAP. It broke the VWAP and I held it through these 5-minute candles looking for a nice move. It did get all the way up to 550, but it couldn't break 550, and then it had this pullback on this red candle here, and it scared me out. I didn't want to take another loss on the day, so I went ahead and locked out and jumped out just in case it crashed. And you can see there I made a $21 profit on this, wiping out the loss from earlier in the day and netting me a $10 profit on the day. And you can also see a little bit later, ITRM actually did get that rip I was looking for and got all the way up over $6. So I had the right idea. I just got scared out of this stock, and that's fine because I would have got scared out on this candle right here anyway. But I'm happy with the small little win. I will take it on a Friday. So here are the orders for today, and you can see the first order was a partial fill. 100 shares of PTI at $2.42, 9:37 a.m. and then sell 100 shares of PTI at $2.32, 10:02 a.m. And then you can see the orders for MREO that were rejected because TD Ameritrade would not allow orders from the platform. And then you can see buy 100 shares of ITRM at $4.97, 12:02 p.m. and then 2 orders that I canceled because I couldn't get filled there on the sale. And then finally I sold 100 shares of ITRM at $5.18, 12:27 p.m. and overall this was for a $10 profit. So overall, nothing really amazing happened, but I was able to take that small loss and turn it into a small win. Green is always good, so I'm happy about it. I'm ready for the new year of trading. I hope you guys are too. Come join us in the live streams for live trading and live commentary, as well as other traders in the chat that you can ask questions and see some real-time trading. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I'm your host, Ben. You've been watching Framework Fortune.